In a horrific incident, a mob of sword-wielding Sikhs on Monday attacked policemen, injuring at least 4 of them after being denied permission to hold a public procession in Nanded in Maharashtra due to the coronavirus pandemic. A viral video showed the sword-wielding mob barging out of the Gurudwara, breaking the barricades put up by the police and attacking the policemen. Several vehicles of police were also damaged in the violence. Permission for the Hola Mohalla public procession was not granted due to the pandemic. The Gurudwara committee was informed and they had assured that they would abide by the directives put out by the police and hold the event inside the Gurudwara premises. Now, this is what Nanded Range DIG Nisar Tamboli told PTI. Tamboli said that condition of one of the 4 constables was serious. He said that 6 vehicles of police were also damaged by the mob. Tamboli said an FIR has been registered against at least 200 people under Section 307, which is attempt to murder, Section 324, which is voluntarily causing hurt with dangerous weapons, Section 188, which is disobeying the order of public servant, Section 269, negligent act likely to spread infection of the Indian Penal Code, and for writing. Hola Mohalla is a Sikh festival that comes a day after Holi. Hola Mohalla is an occasion for Sikhs to demonstrate their martial skills. The police has so far arrested 14 people in connection with the violence. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.